Hey, what's up everyone? It is UFC fighter Paige VanZant. I wanted to give a big shout out to Combat Nutrition Australia.
It's Doug Rose. I want to give a massive shout out to Combat Nutrition in Australia.
I want to give a big shout out to Combat Nutrition in Australia. Hey, I know you guys look out for the weekend warriors and the elite athletes.
Hello everybody, my name is Clarissa Shields, the GWOAT. I give a big shout out to Combat Nutrition of Australia.
Hi, it's Johnny Walker, UFC fighter. Give a big shout out to the Combat Nutrition Australia.
Hey guys, it's Jojo Calderwood here, UFC flyweight fighter. Hope everyone's having a great day. Just wanted to give a big shout out to Combat Nutrition. They look after everyone from the weekend warriors through to the elite athletes.
Really does take care of the entire spectrum. So I want to give you guys a big, massive shout out and continued success in the future in building your business and continuing to help people.
He looks after everybody from weekend warriors through elite athletes, and they have nutrition programs and supplements and all of that. So go check them out. Peace out, everybody.
Go check them out. Peace.